Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For people who know me and for people who don't, hi, my name is Unnati Malharkar. Sometimes I wish I had like really good vocals. I would sing my intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh hell no! Before we move forward, I really want to take this moment and thank you guys for showing me so much love on my previous video. मतलब मैं comments पढ़ रही थी and the love that you guys have showered me with is so overwhelming. हर एक comment में सिर्फ प्यार ही प्यार है and I never expected such a response. Your comments always leave a huge smile on my face. So I really want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I love you all. Now coming back to this video, I had many requests in my DMs to do a Q&A session with you all. So I thought why not do a proper video of a Q&A session and answer all your questions, whatever you all have about me, because obviously you all don't know much about me. I haven't been a completely open book, so I thought why not answer a couple of your questions and let you all know me a little more better. I had put up a story on my Instagram asking you all to ask me a couple of questions, whatever you feel like. I have chosen a couple of them and I have written them down and I'm going to answer it in this video. Even after mentioning it in my story, I had a lot of questions about if I was in a relationship or if I'm dating someone. No guys, I'm not dating anybody.
Oh, don't cry, are you?
I had gotten a lot of questions regarding how DamFam met, how did you meet various members of DamFam. So we have like a proper video, YouTube video for that on our DamFam channel. I will leave the link for it in my bio, so definitely check that out. So let's get to our very first question, which is for how long have you been dancing? I was 7 years old when I first joined a proper dance class. It was called Shamak Dawar Academy. That's when I first joined a proper dancing class. So my mom made me join it during summer. The batch was called Summer Funk, and by the end of that batch, you get to perform on stage and watch various different batches perform on stage as well. So that was my first time up on stage, dancing on stage. So it was a pretty nice experience, and that's when I won my very first dancing medal as well. Also, the second part of this question is did you have this passion since childhood? So there's a very interesting story behind this. So when I was watching other kids dance on stage, of course we were 7-year-old and we were kids and we can't remember a 3-minute proper dance routine on our own. तो हमारे instructors हमारे सामने नाचते थे on their knees. They used to dance the whole dance so that we could copy them. And I saw that and I told my mom, I was very little and I told my mom that I want to be that instructor and I want to dance in front of those kids, in front of my own batch one day. I don't know, that thought stuck with me for pretty long, like very long, and I worked very hard for that. And after a few years, I finally, when I was like 15 or 16-year-old, I finally got my own kids batch. I taught them and I danced with them on stage. That feeling was like out of the world. I can't even explain that feeling in words. It was a very happy moment for me. So yeah. Do you have any tattoos? No, I do not have any tattoos, though I want to get one because I feel tattoos are ना बहुत ऐसा meaningful होने चाहिए, like something that you relate to a lot. I had this like one tattoo idea, but everybody thinks it's very eccentric and बहुत ही over the top. But if you all know that I love Chris Martin, I love Coldplay, and उसका lead singer है Chris Martin, and उसके initials है C and M. So I thought of getting his initials on my ring finger.
Why?
मैं सोची थी कि मेरे रिंग फिंगर पे ना मैं C और M इनिशियल्स लिख देती हूँ, तो मैं मेंटली उससे शादी कर चुकी हूँ. मैं जिसको भी आइडिया बोलती थी, they used to think that अगर तेरा हस्बैंड होएगा वो क्या सोचेगा, रिंग तेरे हस्बैंड की है पर इनिशियल्स क्रिस मार्टिन के. I know it sounds very stupid, but that's just my love for Coldplay, and don't judge me, okay? Don't. Or even if you do, I don't care because it's Coldplay. I will think of a better tattoo idea and get one tattoo very soon. जब ये लॉकडाउन खुलेगा अभी तो मैं शायद पेन से खाली ड्रॉ कर सकती हूँ. How do you maintain your figure? कौन सा फिगर? कहाँ दिख रहा है ये फिगर तुम लोग को? प्लीज मुझे भी देखना है ये फिगर. चश्मा पहन लेती हूँ मैं. मेरा मुझे तो नहीं दिख पा रहा है. ये कौन से फिगर की बात हो रही है? प्लीज टेल मी गाइज. इफ यू ऑल थिंक दैट आई हैव अ प्रॉपर नाइस फिगर, यू ऑल आर वेरी रॉन्ग. आई डू नॉट. प्लीज, अगर फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अ सेकेंड के लिए भी ऐसा थॉट आ रहा है कि बहुत अच्छी फिगर है, उन्हें नहीं है. I eat all the junk possible in the world. सिर्फ जंक ही जंक खाती हूँ मैं. I barely work out. I eat whatever is there in front of me. So figure तो भूल ही जाओ. नहीं. I also get a lot of questions about how did you gain weight. So if you all have been following me since very long, I was very thin पहले. I was like extremely thin. मैंने weight gain किया by of course working out properly. I do work out so that I can gain weight, not to lose weight. Nothing as such. One main factor is stress. At that phase of my life, I was, very stressed out about a few things, and we think that, stress doesn't affect your body, doesn't affect your mind, doesn't affect your skin, but we are completely wrong about that. Stress affects you in every way possible. So I would suggest just forget about the stress and be happy, and just love yourself the way you are, and you will see things change drastically after that. मॉर्निंग पर्सन और अ नाइट पर्सन. गाइज, ये भी मैं सुबह नहीं बना रही हूँ. सो ऑफकोर्स ये लॉकडाउन में डेफिनेटली अ नाइट पर्सन. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द लॉकडाउन, इफ यू वुड सी माई नॉर्मल रूटीन, आई वुड हैव डेफिनेटली बीन अ मॉर्निंग पर्सन. आई यूज्ड टू वेक अप बाय 9:30, 10. मेरी आँख खुल जाती थी तब तक. एंड this lockdown has completely changed me as a person.
Who are you?
How tough would it be to get back to your normal routine after this? Very tough, guys. I don't know कि normal क्या है इसके बाद. After lockdown, what is normal? The whole idea of normal is going to change. To adapt that, it's going to be, really tough. Next, if you want a dancer or an influencer, what would you be, and what's your qualification? So if I wasn't a dancer, I would have opted for either a PR or event management. Event management used to be very fascinating for me because I love managing things, and my qualification is bachelor's in mass media. I find all these events and event management stuff, the behind the camera things, very interesting. So I would have definitely opted for that. Where do you shop from, and makeup, hair tutorials or clothing hauls, please? So I get many of these questions, about my favorite shopping brand, or where do I order my clothes from. So let me know in the comments if you all want like a proper clothing haul or a proper shopping haul video for that. I would love to shoot it for you all. Where do you edit your pictures, and any photo editing apps? To edit my pictures, I use Lightroom and Visco. To edit my YouTube videos, I use Final Cut Pro FCP, and to edit my Instagram videos, I have recently discovered this very cool app called Prequel. They have these very aesthetic and vintage filters, and I love those. So if you want, you can definitely check that out as well. The next question is very interesting. The naughtier kid, you or Hanita? For people who don't know, Hanita is my elder sister who got married few years back, and the naughtier one between us would be me, I think. If you see it in a way, who has trouble mom and dad more than my sister, was in the good books for them. मैं नहीं थी इतनी, तो how was I as a child? I had like these completely two different personalities when I was small. Kabhi I used to be like this, so kabhi I used to be like that. So like two completely different personalities of me. Because मैं बहुत comfortable हूँ in front of people who I know. If I don't know you and if I'm out in public, तो I am बहुत ऐसा इंट्रोवर्ट नहीं, आई डोंट नो व्हाट वुड यू कॉल इट, बट थोड़ी सी शाय हो जाती हूँ मैं इन फ्रंट ऑफ न्यू पीपल. लाइक इवन नाउ इफ यू सी मी देन आई एम completely different with my friends. I am the weirdest one, but during like social gatherings, अच्छे दिन थे वो यार, कब आएंगे. Like during such events I used to, you know, feel a little not shy, but I used to just keep shut. I used to not talk much. Before social gatherings के time पे I get a little I don't know how to explain this, but in public I am a person who would scream in the middle of a movie theater. Movie theater में बीच movie में मैं चिल्लाई हूँ, and I sometimes embarrass my friends a lot, and they are still friends with me, so I love them for that. Next question is, were you a scholar in school? And 10th and 12th results. I dare you. They have specified I dare you. So in school 8th standard तक ना मैं बहुत ही स्टूडियस थी. मेरा 80% से नीचे कभी नहीं आता था. बट जैसे ही मैं 9th में गई, मैं 10th में गई, वो थोड़ा in my 10th I was doing this diploma course with Shamak. It was a 1-year diploma course which went on for a year and a half. वो टाइम पे I had to manage school and I had to manage that as well. वहाँ के timings used to be 9 AM to, it used to go on till like late nights, like 1 AM 2 AM kabhi kabhi. I still remember this time, 10th का time था, and you know you get that I think 1 month का break before your board exam to, you know, properly study. Schools go off, schools shut वो time पे. But because I had failed my prelims,
I am shooketh.
and my school was, you know, pretty worried if I would fail my boards as well. तो वो टाइम पे मेरे को एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस करने पड़े थे इन स्कूल. वही ब्रेक टाइम पे जब बाकी स्टूडेंट्स घर बैठ के पढ़ रहे थे, मुझे स्कूल जाके एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस अटेंड करने पड़ रहे थे. बट वही टाइम पे मेरा शामक के डिप्लोमा कोर्स का स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस था. उसके रिहर्सल्स के लिए वी हैड, हमारे नाइट रिहर्सल्स होते थे बिकॉज फुल डे वी हैड क्लासेस, तो नाइट में वी यूज्ड टू रिहर्स फॉर शोज. तो हमारे शो के रिहर्सल्स ही स्टार्ट 11 को होते थे, 11 PM at night, and they used to go on till like 5 AM or, you know, 4 AM, and they were like proper stage rehearsals. I still remember I could not miss my school का extra classes because मुझे hall ticket ही नहीं मिलता मेरे 10th के लिए. So I used to go to Bandra, do my stage rehearsals. वहाँ पे खत्म होता था around 5 AM. Then I used to come back home. वो drive के time पे ही मैं सोती थी. And I used to get back home, get dressed, change into my uniform, go back to school, attend school का extra activities, come back home, change again, and go back to my diploma classes. Do those classes the entire day, and then again night rehearsals, and that went on for like 2 whole weeks.
Hello.
मैं barely सोई थी वो टाइम पे. I used to get like 2 hours of sleep every single day. That's it. But it was completely worth it because when I threw my diploma cap on stage, when I completed my whole 1-year course in Shamak, that feeling was amazing. I even cried on stage. That's how emotional I was that time. Coming back to my 10th and 12th का result. 10th में मैंने सिर्फ 1 महीना पढ़ी थी because of course I had my diploma course. 10th में I got around 60% and 12th में 65. Is what is written on your pendant. इस पे ये pendant पे तो कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है. This is a normal plain pendant. I think the one you're talking about is the pendant which I usually wear. It has my initial on it. It's you. You? Yes, you. But also you. Explain your dream date. My dream date would definitely be under the stars. Nothing else, just a good conversation under the stars. I love when people remember little things about me. I love it when people do little things for me, and that little like literally means little. Like the most minute thing makes me happy. From little things in life, I would like to tell you all one more thing about me. This is something I've never mentioned anywhere. I'm a person who you know keeps things on the back of her phone. I love receiving letters. I love writing letters. Not even just to others, I loved writing letters to myself as well. I treasure these a lot. So this one Damn Fam gave me on my birthday and I've still saved it, and it says, this is thoda broken because my phone fell in the pool, and it says, pack your bags. This is like that typical Damn Fam statement and we miss it the most. हम बस वेट कर रहे कि हम कब बोल पाएंगे ये phrase वापस से, pack your bags. Have you experienced any paranormal activity? Paranormal? Ooh, I get goosebumps talking about all this. I am like the biggest fattu you will ever come across. मतलब मैं सोती भी मेरे lights के साथ हूँ. I cannot do darkness at all. अभी at this age फिर भी थोड़ा better हुआ है. Paranormal activity ऐसे तो I don't want to talk about it. रुको, अभी कितना बजा है? 3 बजने वाला है. Almost like ज़्यादा time नहीं है, 3 बजने वाला. I can't talk about it. Sorry. But more than paranormal activity, I have experienced sleep paralysis, and it's worse than any paranormal activity ever. And बीच में थोड़ा ना बहुत frequent हो गया था मेरा sleep paralysis, but now thankfully मुझे इतना नहीं होता है sleep paralysis. And उसका भी one main reason is stress. So stress, go away, just go away from my life. Yeah, stress. Are you a Maharashtrian, and what is your mother tongue? Yes, I am a Maharashtrian. My dad is a Marathi and my mom is a Sindhi. I am a कॉकटेल दोनों का. मुझे ना ही मराठी आती है बोलना, ना ही मुझे सिंधी आती है बोलना. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड देम प्रिटी वेल, बट अगर बोलने का बात आया तो मैं इतनी अच्छी नहीं हूँ, ना ही मराठी में, नॉट इवन इन सिंधी. व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट सॉन्ग नाउ डेज? डेफिनेटली तंजील्स न्यू सॉन्ग विच इज Molayas. I will ruin it. Don't listen to it in my voice, but definitely do check his video out. It's up on his YouTube channel. Don't forget to check it out. One bucket list destination in India. Bucket list destination in India would have been Kashmir, जो कि मैं यही साल जाके आई हूँ. So check. Next question is very interesting. What do you put first, cereal or milk? They have specifically mentioned reference Manav's video. I don't know if इसका कुछ right answer है कि नहीं, but I put my milk first and then my cereal because मेरे को मिल्क की फिर क्वांटिटी पता चलती है, and then I can
you want
इसका कुछ लॉजिकल सेंस नहीं बनता है, बट मैं मिल्क डालती हूँ and then my cereal. Your biggest fear, your biggest inspiration. I have answered these and a couple of more interesting questions in Manav's video. You should definitely check it out. It's called The MNV Show. One childhood habit which you still do. There's this one thing which I still do. पैर ऐसे shake करते हैं ना. Huh? Like continuously when I keep shaking my leg. I don't know. I can't stop it. It's just a very weird habit. Craziest thing that has happened with you on a trip. Recent की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो you guys must have seen Arsh's Gulmarg vlog.
उन्नति रोक दो, होली स्लो हो गया. अब उन्नति. Oh no.
The next question is by my very own Ashna. If you could collaborate with one dancer, specified, one in caps lock, one dancer, who would it be? It's very difficult to choose just one of them, but if I had to choose like just one, I would definitely choose Paris Goebel. The way she dances, it's amazing, and I've always been a huge fan of royal family. Paris Goebel. Next is are your glasses still broken? They're still broken, like very much broken. I've saved इसका डंडी यहाँ पे. Screw is missing. I just need to fix that screw. I've saved this. I need it to get it fixed. So the last question is a very controversial one. Marvel or DC?
Look.
Personally, I am a Marvel fan. I love Marvel movies. DC is a bit too dark for me. I don't follow DC much. But Marvel for life. Marvel and DC fans, please don't start a quarrel in the comments.
Are we not over this yet?
but definitely do let me know what do you follow more, Marvel or DC. I definitely follow Marvel. So this was the end of today's video. I hope that I've answered all of your questions. If I've missed out on any, I'm extremely sorry. You can keep adding your questions below this video. Sooner or later I will make another Q&A session where I answer those as well. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. This was it for today. This is Unnati signing off. Peace.